Waxusical Soft and Bright Roll-On Wax. Here's what you need for the treatment. Soft and Bright Roll-On Wax, dermobalance lotion, pre-base, wax strips, soft and bright clarifying lotion and clarifying serum. Begin by putting the cartridge into the warmer, switch on and place the lid. Wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can remove the label and roll the cartridge over a wax strip to start the run of the wax. Sanitize both yours and the client's hands and put on your gloves. Apply pre-base gel onto the area until it's completely absorbed. Apply clarifying serum over the area, massage and tap until fully absorbed. Roll the cartridge over the skin to apply the wax. Wait 5 to 10 seconds to allow for the masking effect. Apply the wax strip in a diagonal direction. Continue repeating the same pattern so it forms a zigzag. Rub the strip to ensure it is well attached and remove, holding the skin firmly. Maintain the diagonal direction to make the treatment more comfortable for the client and to avoid hair breakage. Turn over your client to work on the back area. Reapply the serum to increase the absorption while the pores are still open. Finalize by applying clarifying lotion and performing a relaxing massage.